Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to add text background color on Figjam. Select the square object found in the lower part of the screen and drag it into the board and add text. Click here to change the background color of your text. Let's add text to the board. Click here to change the color of your text to green. Click the section button and drag to the board. Then click here to change the color of your section. Click the table button and drag it to the board. Click the circle button to change the color of your table. You can also choose what color you want and add text later on. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!